Hi, this is Zeedign Tutorials, and in this video I am going to show you how to convert a text object into a shape object in Adobe Illustrator. And for this purpose I have created two text objects in my artboard in Illustrator, and what I'm going to do is first I will show you how to convert a text object into a shape, and then I will explain the difference between the both, and so that we will understand what do we mean by having a text object and a shape object. So let's begin with the process. It's pretty simple. At the moment I have these two text layers or objects, and I will select this one and I will right click on it, and I will click on this option stating create outlines. The process is called creating outlines. Okay, so I will click on it, and that's it. Now this is no more a text object, it is a shape object, and this one is still text. So before and after. Now let me explain the difference between these two and what actually has happened, because both of them are still looking pretty same. So what do we mean by having a text object is that I am still able to edit this text or change font. For example, I can double click on it, and instead of text I can write taxi. While I cannot do the same with this one, because it is no more a text for Adobe Illustrator. Illustrator will treat it as an object or a shape. So for this one, like I showed you how I have changed text or alphabets, not just that, I can even change the font as well. For example, this font, let me bring it back to the original one. Okay, so you have seen how having a text object enables us to change the statement or even the font, but once we have converted into a shape object, we are unable to do that. However, there are some more possibilities. For example, now because it is a shape, I can play with it and I can make some changes which are not possible in case of text object. For example, doing this is not possible here, but it's possible here. So it depends on your requirement. If you need to modify your existing font, then you need to convert it into a shape object so that you can make some modifications of your own choice. For example, this and whatever you like. There are endless possibilities. On the other hand, if you want your text to be available in your document for any sort of change in the future, then you may need to keep it as text layer so that you will be able to make any change later. For example, now I'm going back to the original text as text. So that's all about converting a text object into a shape object, and like I displayed, it's pretty simple. All you need to do is select your text, and then you will do right click on it, and then you will click on create outlines. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Have a nice day, and thank you.